Dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel English for All. This is Babul Akhtar is with you. I have started delivering tutorials on basic English grammar. I am very hopeful that if you follow my tutorials, you will be able to develop your speaking and writing ability. In my first tutorial, I discussed about how you can make sentences using introductory there. If you are newer in my channel, if you are my first viewer, I am suggesting you to follow my first tutorial to go through my first tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can make sentences by introductory there using other structures. Let's go to the structures. Here are 4 structures. By these structures, you can make sentences using introductory there. First one, there remain, there exist plus NP. Let's have a look on the examples I have given. There remained some problems unsolved. এর অর্থ হচ্ছে কিছু অমীমাংসিত সমস্যা রয়ে গেছে অথবা রয়ে গেল। There exists no difficulty now. এখন আর কোনো সমস্যা নেই। You can make other sentence like there remained some mistakes like this. And then come to the second structure. In the second structure, we can see that there is seem, happen, appear plus to be plus NP. So let's make a sentence using there. You can make sentence similar these sentences. There seems to be something wrong. There happened to be a quarrel among 2 brothers. There appeared to have been a quarrel among 2 brothers. The meaning of the first sentence, বাংলায় যা দাঁড়ায়, there seems to be something wrong. কোনো সমস্যা আছে বলে মনে হচ্ছে। There happened to be a quarrel among 2 brothers. 2 ভাইয়ের মধ্যে একটি ঝগড়া ঘটে গেল। There appeared to have been a quarrel among 2 brothers. 2 ভাইয়ের মধ্যে একটি ঝগড়া হয়ে গেল। Then come to the third structure. There is something, there was some nothing, there may be anything. Plus you can add here adjective. Let's make a sentence using this. There is something wrong. First one, there is something wrong. Or you can say there was something wrong. Something wrong. Or you can say there may be something wrong. Maybe something wrong. And also you can use nothing. There is nothing wrong. There was nothing wrong. Like this. There may be nothing wrong. So you can also use other to be verbs here. And you can use this adjective surprising, outstanding. How? Like there is surprising in this book. There is something surprising. Something surprising in this room, in this book, sorry. Then come to the last structure. we can see come, go, leave plus NP. Let's have a look on the examples. I'm going to write. There comes a boy. There goes a boy. Or you can say there lived a saint in this hut. এই কুঁড়ের ঘরে একজন সন্ন্যাসী বসবাস করত, থাকতো। এ হচ্ছে স্ট্রাকচার। এই স্ট্রাকচারগুলো দিয়ে আমরা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি দিয়ে ব্যবহার করে সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করতে পারি। Dear viewers and learners, now I'm going to show you how you can make negative interrogative sentences using introductory there. Making negative and interrogative sentences or negative interrogative sentences very easy. Let's have a look on the examples I'm going to write here. There is a student in the classroom. How to make it negative? Just you add after is not. There is not a student in the classroom. And similar way, there was not a student in the classroom. Or you can say there were not 5 students in the classroom. So same way, using other modal verbs, you can make it negative. And how to make it interrogative? Just you place this is at the beginning of the sentence. Is there a student in the classroom? Is there not? If you make it negative interrogative, then you place this is at the beginning of the sentence. Is there not a student in the classroom? Or was there not a student in the classroom? Were there not 5 students in the classroom? So in this way, you can make negative interrogative sentences. Now, I'm going to discuss about expletive there and adverb there. To make sentences by expletive there, you need to understand what is expletive. Expletive means interjection. To express something like interjection, and we use this expletive there, like there comes a boy. When you make the expletive there, then we need to press on there. There comes a boy. There. Goes a beggar, like this. And also there is other ways to make sentences using expletive there. There, you can, there, there. How he plays. দেখো দেখো সে কিভাবে খেলছে, এভাবে আমরা যদি বাংলা অর্থ করি সেভাবে এই অর্থ দাঁড়ায়। আর ইউ ক্যান সে দেয়ার, you know everything. So these are the ways you can make sentences using expletive there. Then let's we make sentences using adverb there. Adverb there means to indicate, there means place, like there, sorry, I am always there to help you. You come here, there, you come there. So this is very easy. Here I'm not using this there at the beginning of the sentences. This sort of sentences has subject, noun, pronoun, other subjects. That's why this there has been used at the beginning, at the end of the sentence. So dear viewers, I have discussed all the ways how you can make sentences using there. I have discussed about introductory there, discussed about expletive there and adverb there. I have also shown you how you can make negative sentences, interrogative sentences, negative interrogative sentences. Hopefully you will practice at home and you will try to make sentences using different verbs, to be verbs, nouns and place, adjectives, and if you keep practicing you will see that you are able to make a lot of sentences. If you want to develop your speaking capacity, you need to speak it loudly. You need to speak loudly, like you can practice in this way. There was a girl in the classroom, there was not a girl in the classroom. So if you speak loudly with someone or even with yourself, and you will find your development in speaking capacity. So dear viewers, that's the end of the session about making sentences using there. Thank you watching this tutorial, and for the next tutorial please you wait for the next tutorial, and until then, Khuda Hafiz. Thank you very much.